Hey guys, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. In this video, let's take a look at what happened to Apple. I was pretty bullish on it, and then Apple beat its earnings. I also give you a quick outlook on SPX and what to expect on the FOMC meeting tomorrow after 1 p.m. and my outlook on Amazon and Microsoft earnings. So let's get started. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe. They will be very helpful. On the SPX, this time we might actually see 2700. We are going to expect that the Fed is going to be very dovish and not to put too much money into the take off on the equity market and put in the bond market or contract the balance sheet. They might just be, take a step back and reevaluate what's going to happen globally and decide. So the market is going to price in that kind of feeling tomorrow, which means that we might have a potential nice rally to 26.75. I know we closed at 26.40. That's a 30-point move. It looks impossible, but it's likely to have a 25 to 30 plus movement on SPX tomorrow, and then I'm expecting some kind of sell side activity towards the noonish, and then after the Fed, there might be some sell off at the end. So if you have calls, I will lock your profit in the AM, because remember one time back in December we had I think 300 points movement to the upside on Dow Jones, and then after the meeting, Dow Jones closed below. It was at negative 350 points. So we have a 600 point swing just because of that. So let's take a look at Apple. Apple went up to I believe as high of a 165 after hour. So what's most likely going to happen tomorrow at Apple? We might just open at 164 and potentially go to 166. I don't see it going any higher than 166. Not tomorrow. Eventually it might fill the gap at right here. We're talking about 175, 180, around this area right here. This gap right here. We might eventually fill this gap. But right now Apple is on a uptrend, so I will not short Apple anytime sooner until it goes back to at least 180. So let's take a look at our Amazon. Amazon dropped pretty crazy today. Remember, people ask me, why do you think Apple will go up pre-earning and Amazon drops? Don't they follow each other? Well, here's your answer. Amazon dropped 2.69%, and then Amazon dropped about 1% yesterday. So as for Amazon, I'm very bullish on Amazon earning, because they want to drive this price down and then they buy it back up and then they'll sell it at the top. So what is going to happen on Amazon? We have a 100 points expected move. So most likely Amazon can beat its earning and go to 1700. That is my projection. That is my opinion. Anything can happen with that. But I am a bit bullish on Amazon, because look at it. eBay beats earning. Amazon maybe yes. Let's take a look at our Microsoft. With Microsoft, same story. Down 3 days in a row. So what's most likely going to happen is that I want to see we at least attempt to go half of it to a 104 or even 104.5. And then after earning, which is tomorrow, we're going to see a nice spike to 110. Microsoft does have I think a $5 expected move by Friday, so Microsoft can go to as high as 110. Yeah. And for that being said, am I bullish on Microsoft? I'm also bullish on Microsoft. I'll take a look at Facebook just because earning is tomorrow. So Facebook Right now, at this trend line right here, it closed above it. So most likely tomorrow, Facebook will keep going up to 146 or 146.5. After earnings, it could potentially hit 160. Uh, for that being said, I will not short this market, not yet, because Apple with a very nice earning came out today. Or it's not very nice, but it's up 6%. It beats everything by a little bit. So let's just wait till we touch near the 2700 before we see a sign of exhaustion here and then a rejection below. If you are in profit in your call, like I said, lock it first 2 hours of trading and just sit in the sideline where you tell what the Fed is going to say about the markets. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow after hour.